partners, nangita ba mo baratong condominium unit diri sa Mandaue City? For only 72,000 pesos down payment, payable for 12 months for as low as 6,000 per month. This is Casamira Towers, Mandaue. Located here in Barangay Alang-Alang, Mandaue, near Pacific Mall. Napaka-accessible na ato ang location kay Daplin Barangay Road. Aside ana natay mga PUJ moagi diri, it's just one ride going to Santo Niño, Manalili, Carbon, Ayala, and IT Park. Developed by Sibulan Masters, Casamira Mandaue is designed to give you modern, convenient, and relaxing city living. Murag vacation, pero naara ka sa balay. Naatay tulo ka unit nga pwede nyo pagpilian na regular studio unit, special studio unit, and one bedroom layout. Wow, grabe ka relaxing. This is one of my favorite spots. The lagoon-style swimming pool surrounded by tropical plants and palm trees. Grabe ka relaxing, di ba? Perfect kaayo for weekend chill, family bonding, or kung gusto ka lang magpahuway after work. There are cozy lounge areas all around. Pwede ka magbasa, pwede ka mag-coffee, or just enjoy the breeze. Feels like you're in a resort pero dili ra gyud sa Mandaue. Aside from the pool, naapod sila gym, function rooms, and open spaces, great for families and barkadas. So if you're looking for affordable condo living and resort vibes, Casamira Mandaue is definitely worth checking out. Limpyo, relaxing, ug accessible pagyud. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this property tour. My name is Juby, your home ka partners.